Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with Essentials. Install and activate Yoast SEO and plugins Add New, because the plugin enables structured settings you'll use next. After activation, go to the Yoast dashboard and run the configuration wizard. Follow prompts for site type, organization versus person, and set your homepage title template. Once done, enable XML sitemaps and toggle indexing preferences so search engines can find your content. Make sure you have a representative post ready to test meta and social previews immediately. Now refine site-wide rules. You should open search appearance to craft title templates and meta descriptions. This standardizes snippets across posts and reduces manual work. Next, configure the schema settings so Google understands site structure. This influences rich results. Connect your social profiles and upload a default open graph image so shared links look consistent. Also enable breadcrumbs for user navigation and verify your XML sitemap in robots. TXT and Google Search Console. Finish by optimizing individual posts. Enter a clear focus key phrase, rewrite the slug, and craft a compelling meta description. You'll see Yoast's SEO and readability scores update in real time. Add internal and external links, set a featured image with correct dimensions, and preview social cards. If something breaks, pages not indexed or previews wrong, first check for accidental noindex tags and robots. TXT rules, then deactivate other SEO plugins to test conflicts. If needed, clear server cache and resubmit the sitemap to Search Console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.